In this video, we'll walk you through how to transform your Jira dashboards into high-efficiency support hubs using rich filter queues. By using dynamic queue management, your support teams and service desk agents can view, prioritize, and triage support requests in real time, all from a single, unified dashboard. To keep things practical and easy to follow, we'll walk through the setup process using a simple example scenario. An e-commerce support desk managing high-volume incoming tickets. This project consists of two support teams, with each team handling dedicated SLA tiers. Our dashboard is already populated with two gadgets: a rich filter controller displaying static, dynamic, and smart filters, and a rich filter issue activity stream showing at-a-glance monitoring of recent activities on your support requests. Before you add queues to your dashboard, take a moment to review your underlying rich filter configuration. Open the Rich Filters Details tab and review your base Jira filter to ensure your queues pull in the exact issue scope your support team needs. In our example, the base filter pulls tickets from 3 Jira spaces and orders them by their key. Next, set up controller filters to help support agents slice and segment queued tickets by key dimensions. Static filters. Add a JQL-based smart filter for assigned issues. This allows support agents to isolate their own tickets within any queue with a single click, for example. Dynamic filters. Add a field-based filter to refine and narrow the scope of tickets displayed across the queues, such as project, priority, issue type, or assignee. Smart filters. Add JQL smart filters to tag tickets by custom criteria, such as project or team ownership. Once done, your next step is to create your queues. From the Rich Filter Configuration menu, select Queues and click Create Queue. Give your queue a clear name, for example, unassigned, and define the JQL clause for this specific queue. Then, decide whether you want the given queue to be static. Use this option to keep all issues in this queue always visible, or in a fixed order. Use this option to lock the queue in a set, custom order. Let's create a few more queues representing each stage of the support process. You can drag and drop the queues to reorder how they appear to your agents. Now that your queues are defined, it's time to display them on your dashboard. Go to your Jira dashboard and click Edit. In the Add Gadget pane, look for the Rich Filter Results gadget. Click Add. In the gadget configuration, select your target rich filter from the drop-down menu. You can additionally select which custom fields and columns appear in the queue list. For this gadget, select Queues and Hierarchies under Display. The gadget can show all queues or only selected ones. We're going to select Show All. And finally, you can define the maximum number of tickets shown on a single page in a queue. The default number is 10, but you can increase it up to 50. Click Submit. The Rich Filter Queues gadget now displays on your dashboard. Remember that you can add multiple gadgets of the same type and configure them differently to display data you want. So for our dashboard, we're going to add one more Results gadget to show all support tickets. There are now two Results gadgets on the dashboard. One displays all custom queues defined in the Rich Filter configuration, while the other lists all support tickets matching the base Jira filter. Clicking on any queue tab instantly updates the issue list below it, allowing you to quickly switch between critical workloads. The default Results gadget view displays limited issue details. Depending on the ticket stage, you may need additional context at a glance without opening each ticket in Jira individually. There are two ways to achieve this. First, you can open the ticket detail screen by clicking the Open Issue dialog button. This lets you update and reply to support requests directly from the dashboard. Second, you can create and add a dedicated view or a set of views to each queue. So let's create a few. From the Rich Filter configuration menu, select Views. Click Create View. Next, name your new view. For example, Detailed. Check the checkboxes you need for the view, or leave them blank, and click the Create button. With this view, we want to see the following ticket data: issue type, key, summary, and description. For our second view, we'll name it SLA and configure it with the following columns: issue type, key, summary, team, assignee. Time to first response and time to resolution. Now, we need to define which views we want to see in the respective queue. Open the Queues tab and click the Edit button. In the Views section, you can choose to display all available views as tabs or limit display to specific ones. When done, click Update. On your dashboard, you will now see view tabs assigned to each queue. Notice that the gadget displaying all issues has all custom views. You can configure views for that gadget directly on the dashboard. Open the gadget configuration and select one of the options. Select All Views if you want to add all views defined in Rich Filter configuration, or customize shown views to add only the selected ones. Click Submit. You can switch between different views in both gadgets to see data relevant to a specific queue or a batch of issues narrowed down by your filters.